Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about 10 cool things that you can do with Amazfit Active 2 Square, and I'll be sharing some of my favorite features later in this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. And with that, let's get started. Did you know that you can use AI on Amazfit Active 2 Square to schedule from your notifications? So if you have a notification with time or date in it, you can simply swipe to the left, tap on this AI button, and it will activate Zepp, and this will give you an option to add this notification into your calendar with the time and the day that was in the notification. So this allows you to very quickly add stuff into your calendar, and here all you have to do is add to calendar and it will be added to the calendar. Then you can go in your calendar app, and here if you tap on the day, you will see that schedule is in the calendar now. Active 2 Square comes with a 1.7-inch AMOLED display, and one benefit of that is the always on display on this watch. So there you go. With always on display you can do some cool stuff as well, and for that we need to go in settings, go in display, and then go in always on display, and here you will see this option always on style. Go in here. So here you will see two options: follow watch face, or you can select style selection. So if you go in style selection, you actually get different styles that you can have as always on display, which is separate from your watch face. So we have some options here. Let's select this one. So now if I turn on the always on display, you will see that we have a different always on display from the watch face. One of the best features of this watch is the portrait watch face that you can apply on here. So for that you need to go into the Zepp app on your phone, then go in device, and from here go in watch faces and scroll until you find portrait watch face. So tap on use now, and here you can add your portrait photos. So here you can see that I have selected a couple of photos, and now I can actually adjust this photo so that the time is tucked behind my hair and my photo. So this is the depth effect that the watch face detects automatically. So, and there are different positions that you can add this time, to the right, to the left. So let's select this one, and then you can sync it to your watch. And so there you go. That's how it looks, and you can tap on it to switch between the watch faces. It's a really cool effect. Now you can also transfer offline music to your watch, because the watch has memory of 512 MB, and some of it is available which you can use for music. So how you can do that? Simply go into the Zepp app on your phone, go in device section, and here find this music app. Go in here, and from here you can upload music from your phone's storage. So from here I can add a couple of songs, and then these will be updated or uploaded to the watch. So now the music has been uploaded to the watch. So let's go ahead and find it. And here you'll see this music app. Swipe up, go in my playlist, go in all music, and you will see these two songs that I've just added to the watch. And from here you can just tap on it and it will play through the watch's speaker. And from here obviously you can pause it, play it, go forward, go back, add it to your favorite or workout list. You can randomize it and control the volume. On this watch you can also download offline maps. So you can do that by going into the Zepp app, go in device section, and then scroll down, and from here go in map management, and here you can select your area, increase or decrease it. You can also select base map and ski maps and then download, and the map will be downloaded and transferred to your watch. Once it's downloaded on the watch, you can go in apps, and from here you can go in map. So the map that you downloaded will be loaded onto the watch, and here you can actually navigate the map going left and right. Press this button, you can zoom in and out of the map as well, and then move up and down as well. You can also change what these buttons do, and for that go in settings, go in preferences, and then go in shortcut buttons. For the upper button you can select long press option, and by default it's selected to Zepp, but you can change it to anything else. So let's select heart rate. So when I long press this, it will launch the heart rate app. Similarly, for the lower button, you can press lower button once and select the functionality. By default, it's set to settings, but you can change it to any other thing on your watch. Let's say we wanted to go to timer, so let's select that, go back, and now whenever I will press this button, this will take me to the timer app. A really cool feature on this watch is one tap measurement, which allows you to measure 4 health metrics in one go. So if I go in apps, go in this app here, so here it says measures your health indicators with one tap, and if I tap on measure, it will give me a countdown, and then it will ask me to remain still, and it will measure my heart rate, stress levels, breathing rate, and blood oxygen levels. So there you go. We have the heart rate, stress level, blood oxygen levels, and breathing rate. Well, it hasn't really accurately measured these metrics because I was talking and my hand was probably not in the perfect position and the fit isn't right as well. But anyways, if you do these things right, you will get accurate measurements. Nonetheless, it's a really cool feature where you can get these 4 metrics in one go. You don't have to go in separate apps to measure all these different things. There is a built-in temperature sensor in Amazfit Active 2 Square as well, and this allows you to measure your skin temperature or also the surface level temperature of anything that you will place your watch on. So if I go in apps and then go in this thermometer app, you can see if I put my finger at the back, it will start changing and measuring my skin temperature. Now I can place anything else here and it will measure the temperature of that thing. So let's say I place this over here, and you'll see that the temperature has started to go down because the temperature of the surface of this case is less than my skin temperature. Active 2 Square comes with built-in barometer and altimeter, and there is also an accompanying app from where you can measure these things. So go in the app drawer and here go in this app right here, so you will see the air pressure. You can also set storm alerts and select thresholds from here, and the watch will send you storm alerts. And then if you swipe up, you can get to your altitude, and here you can also use GPS, calibrate it, and go in manual and change these settings as well. There is also artificial intelligence built into this watch, which is evident by now because I showed you the Zeplo AI in the notifications. That same Zeplo AI is actually powered by OpenAI, and you can use it as a personal assistant as well. There is an app that comes pre-installed, but you can also launch it as a shortcut of this top button. So if you long press it, the Zeplo AI will be activated and then you can ask it anything. So let's try this out. What was my readiness score yesterday?
You achieved a 69 readiness score yesterday, which is at the yesterday level.
Increase the brightness on the watch.
I increased the screen brightness.
And from here you can also manually change the brightness. So that's really cool. It gives you this slider that you can adjust. Would I need an umbrella tomorrow?
Yes, you'll need an umbrella tomorrow. There will be thunderstorms.
Alright, so it has come up with the weather cards that shows you the temperature and weather forecast for the day that you're asking it for. Set an alarm for 7 a.m. today.
Done. Alarm is set for 7 a.m.
So as you can see that Zeplo AI functions as your personal assistant on the watch. It can answer your questions, your queries about your health metrics, and also carry out different functions on the watch, which is pretty great. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were the 10 cool things that you can do with a Amazfit Active 2 Square. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.